Hi friends, welcome back to Easy Recipes with Dee. Today we're making a crave-worthy dish, crispy breaded honey garlic steak with a side of bright green broccoli and fluffy jasmine rice. Quick question for you before we start. How do you like your steak? Classic grilled or crispy bites like this? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to get some ideas for future videos. Let's get the honey garlic sauce ready. Smash and mince 3 cloves of garlic and pop them into a small bowl. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found me, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and leave me a comment. I'd love to know as we go what you think about the recipe. Would you keep it the same or add your own twist? Add 4 tablespoons or 1/4 cup of honey. Two tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Stir until smooth, then season with about 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Set it aside. This sweet savory mix is what makes the steak even better. Next, prep the veggies. Dice 1/4 of an onion. Dice 1/4 of a bell pepper. I used red and green for color, but use whatever you've got. Cut half a head of broccoli to be ready to steam. What's your favorite vegetable to pair with steak? Broccoli, green beans, mushrooms? Tell me below. I might feature your combo next time. Cut your steak into bite-sized cubes. I love cooking, and I hope you're finding this recipe just as fun and easy to make. If there's a dish you've seen that you'd like me to simplify, drop it in the comments. I'm always on the hunt for new ideas to put my own twist on. Who knows, your suggestion might be my next video. Then, place into a medium-sized bowl. Season generously with salt and pepper. Then, toss in a mix of half a cup of cornstarch and half a cup of flour until every piece is coated. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in your pan. Sauté the onion and bell pepper for about 3 minutes with a pinch of salt and pepper, stirring occasionally. Move them out to a plate when they're just softened. For rice, I'm using 3/4 cup of jasmine rice, 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give it a stir and let the rice cooker do its thing. Mine takes about 25 minutes. Add Add 2 tablespoons of oil to the same hot pan and lay in the steak pieces. Cook about 2 minutes, flip and repeat until all sides are golden and the steak is cooked through, usually 5 to 7 minutes per batch depending on your preferred doneness. While the steak finishes, steam the broccoli, add a splash of water to the bottom of a pot, drop in the large cluster of florets, cover, and steam on high for 4 minutes. Season with a little salt, and if you like, melt in a bit of butter, then steam another 2 minutes for bright, tender broccoli. Time for the magic. Return the steak, onions, and peppers to the pan, pour in that honey garlic sauce, and toss everything together over medium heat for 3 minutes until beautifully glazed. Plate up some fluffy rice, scatter the steamed broccoli, spoon over the glossy honey garlic steak, and dinner is served. Crispy, sticky, and full of flavor. Thanks so much for cooking with me today. Have a wonderful day or night whenever you're watching, and I'll see you next time.